In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect my sign-up form and campaigns together Aweber. The goal here is simple. You will add a tag to your sign-up form, then you will build a campaign that starts automatically when that exact tag is applied. This is one of the cleanest ways to make sure new subscribers receive the right follow-up messages the moment they join. First, go to Pages and Forms. From there, click Sign Up Forms. Find the form you want to connect to your campaign and click Edit. This opens the form editor where you can adjust what happens when someone submits the form. Next, click Form Settings. Look for the Tags field. Here, type a unique tag that you will use to connect everything. Keep it short, clear, and easy to remember. The most important thing is consistency, because the campaign will only trigger when the tag matches perfectly. After you enter the tag, click Save Form. Take a second to confirm that the tag is actually saved in the settings before moving on. Now click Publish, and make sure you save the changes. Publishing is what pushes your updated settings live, so new signups will receive that tag going forward. Once the form is ready, you will set up the campaign. Go to Automations, then Campaigns. Click Create a Campaign. When Aweber asks for the trigger, select Tag Applied. This tells Aweber to start the campaign when a subscriber gets a specific tag. In the sidebar, enter the exact same tag you added to the form settings. Match spelling, hyphens, and spacing exactly. If the tag is even slightly different, the campaign will not start. Now you can build out the campaign content. Drag your send message actions into the canvas. This is where you add the emails you want new subscribers to receive after they sign up through that form. Arrange the messages in the order you want them to go out. Finally, click Save and Exit. At this point, your sign-up form and your campaign are connected through that shared tag, and the automation is ready to run. That covers everything you need to know.